Very nice.
I'm gonna eat this grape.
Eat the person.
Eat.
Nice. Where's that one?
I know what you do that. It's like eating a dolphin. Give me some of that. Hey, Ross. Ah, come on.
You're right, Ross. Find out.
Yes.
I don't see it.
Do you want to get trumpet in, Ross?
How does one do?
What's that? That's like a little called Boaz. Probably played mostly by weirdos and Japanese people.
1-0.
It's cool. Boaz. What? The rhythm game. Things fall down from the bottom of the top of the screen and you tap them.
That's on the hook.
It's good.
Said people who play Step Minion.
Chuck.
People
Oh.
go, what game now? Step Minions, that's gay.
There should be mentioned in this.
What game is
In
it?
this school. Go on, man.
Aaron, what game
It
is
looks
it?
like I won
I
that.
don't know.
No. Yeah.
But it's one of them games.
I want to go to a school in Manchester. City is full of joy.
Be quiet. He's just filming his nose.
Yeah.
What have you done? Not a trumpet, sorry. What do you call it?
Flute.
Yes, sir.
No, a flute is to the side.
It's not.
It
It's a
is.
trumpet.
No, a flute you hold
The
it to
flute
the
is
side.
this way.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. You don't do that either, Ross. You blow into a hole at the top. Yeah.
There's a hole you blow in at the top. Like,
Surely not.
It goes like there to there, and you hold it like that.
No, Ross, like that. I swear it was like this. Like, what's this then?
there's one of them that's like
Clarinet.
Clarinet.
the one that Liam used
Oh
to
yeah.
play.
Clarinet. He plays one of these. Like,
He used to.
No, sir.
I don't think so.
Pretty sure it still does. Where you go? Did he dab? Did he dab?
Just stop. Please stop.
Did he do that? I ain't a drink this very secretly. What do you need boost, hey? I need a boost. If you say to give you energy, you could die, right?
It's a stamina potion.
No, it's not. It's just energy because he wants more money. They don't have it. More money? No, the bloody boost do. Because you don't need it. There's no energy. Yeah, but we'll go and find Brendan Parsons. With it. What the fuck?
It's your boon!
I reckon I've used one of them and all my spit is running down there and you're still drinking.
It's your boon!
Drinking the spit.
So what becomes of you, my love, when they have finally stripped you off the handbags and the glad rags that your granddad had to sweat so you could buy?